How to fix damaged hair with items you already have at home. These inexpensive at-home tricks will fix your brittle, damaged, dry locks, leaving you with gorgeous, healthy hair. Repair damage with an avocado. Mash a ripe avocado, pit removed, with 1 egg, then apply this home remedy to wet hair. Avocados are rich in vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals that will help restore luster to your dry hair, says Steven Santa, expert colorist in New York City. Leave on for at least 20 minutes, then rinse several times. Repeat once a week for damaged hair and once a month for healthy hair. Massage in butter. Try this home remedy if you're wondering how to repair damaged hair, treat dry, brittle hair with a small amount of butter for a glossy shine. Massage it into your dry hair, then cover your hair with a shower cap for about a half hour. Shampoo as usual, and rinse all the butter out. Doug McIntosh, a senior colorist in New York City, says that if you try this technique you might want to first melt the butter, let it cool, and skim the fat off the top to clarify it. Condition with olive oil. You can create a homemade hot oil treatment with olive oil, says McIntosh. Warm up half a cup of olive oil, do not boil it, and then rub it into your hair. Cover tresses with a plastic bag, then wrap everything in a towel. Let this home remedy do its thing for 45 minutes, then shampoo and completely rinse. Rinse with tea. You may think of tea as a sore throat remedy, but here's how you can use it to fix damaged hair and give it a natural shine. Use a quart of cooled, brewed tea as a final rinse after your regular shampoo, McIntosh suggests. Tea can enhance hair color, so make sure to use a tea that works with your hair color. Blondes should use chamomile tea, black tea may darken their tresses. Brunettes should use black tea to enhance shine and enrich color. Restore shine with apple cider vinegar. An apple cider vinegar mist can restore luster, McIntosh says. The vinegar neutralizes the hair's pH and closes the cuticle, he explains. It's like doing a clear gloss at home. He suggests mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar to 10 parts water in a spray bottle and misting on clean, damp hair once a week. Since the mixture is slightly acidic, you don't want to overdo it.